So friend, this is my computer hardware series video, and one by one I'm already created lot of topic on video very important for you understand. So types of computer I'm already created, and lot of I'm created last previous video, mouse and mouse related video, optical mouse, how working, and basic and clicking, pointing, clicking, dragging system, and how this is computer touchpad type mouse working, sensor type mouse working, other type biometric type mouse working. Watch video. And last my previous some video, keyboard technology and keyboard, how technology start coming from, and types of keyboard and keyboard different organization of keyboard group and keyboard group related category wise divided system. Okay, so this today I will continue keyboard key and keyboard key related different visual functions and visual, how this working in effect in your typing system. Okay, let's start this video. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So write this type online and touch this channel and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on
So
here, and
this is
you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want, information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist, and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one, time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options, and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operating 7, 8, 9, Windows 10.
so friends, this
Every
is a
your operating system you can control using. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related, what is a Windows 7, what is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created, what is a 64-bit, what is a 32-bit. So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I
this is my
upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button, and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So you can see just your key name, and the second is how to use. Okay, key name, and second side you can see how to use. So first understand, look at on your keyboard. Okay, and find shift button. Okay, shift button. So what is the shift button? Press shift in combination with a letter to type an uppercase letter. Press shift in a combination with another key to the symbol shown on the upper part of the key. So shift button, your press combination is a letter key, means uppercase letter. Just like you can see, just this is my first press this one type over, and first letter is uppercase, means first ABCD. So it is a P. Okay, uppercase letter. Okay, so it is a press is a main capital K, P, first primary P. Okay, you can see S is, you can see just this is the first ABCD, first letter is a uppercase. So how this it is a shift button. Press shift button, hold it, and other press button just like F, anything you want uppercase button. So it is using a shift button. Okay, so it is a shown here, and second is on your symbol. So you can see just a function in downside. You can see just a hashtag, a percentage, up and star button, bracket, open bracket, close bracket, plus minus signs, and comma, double quote, single quote. It is a start by shift button, button using. So press shift button and uh, press symbol buttons. So one by one you can see just that, because one keyboard inside two type character, you can see just here. Okay, two type character. So first automatically default, and second you want. So for first press shift button and press there second symbol you want. Okay, second is a caps lock. What is a caps lock? This is a very important, and this is a two type only function. Press caps lock once tap. Okay, all character uppercase. You want everything you type lowercase, but you want everything need typing. When you are typing, type and type automatically uppercase. So caps lock on. Okay, caps lock on. So it is a uppercase. Press caps lock again. Turn this function off. Okay, so you press uppercase. You press on caps lock. So it is a one type of lowercase to change uppercase, and again press to caps lock. So automatically function on. Some keyboard in caps lock indicator light available, and some especially to laptop inside the keyboard not showing caps lock indicator light. Okay, so caps lock how understands, because caps lock you are on, so uppercase automatically you open notepad and write any paragraph, you write anything, words, any poem, any sentence. So everything you can see just everything your uppercase alphabetic, everything uppercase write your everything word. So it means the caps lock is on, and press again. So all of small. Okay, small character means the lower case. So what is this reason? Because caps lock is one type of your help to uppercase to lowercase to uppercase is all of change. But by default every keyboard, every same function and programming created by software engineer, you are start by lowercase your letters. Okay, third is a tab button. What is a tab button? So press tab button, move to cursor several space forward. Okay, so space is one type of, you can see just here two word between I'm give space. Okay, this I'm give keyboard, after give this space, and after give word keys. Okay, so between two words given space, it is a space button. But what is a tab button? Tab button is a forward space to 8 space equal to. You can also press tab to move to the next box on a form. Okay, so you are watch my already some special basic software related Microsoft Word. So I will discuss it one by one. You can see just tab button. So tab button is one type of a give 8 in one time, 8 space equal to give space. Okay, so it is a one type of everything you want more space between two words, to enter tab button. Okay, what is and it is showing here. Okay, fourth is the enter button. What is the enter button? Press enter to move the cursor to the beginning to next line. Special to notepad. So what is a notepad? I will discuss in one type of everything shift, caps lock, tab, enter. So enter is one type of next line, one line break, and again you can see just here start your new line, enter button. Okay, so enter button is one type of showing one type of you can see just here new line. Okay, so in dialog box press enter button is select the highlight button. Okay, highlight button old generation type keyboard have enter button not showing, only showing return button. Okay, return button. Return means you can see just here your I'm just showing in start notepad inside start, and this you can see just I'm showing first shift button. So I'm press shift and press A, so you can see just here you can see just here very capital, but without shift you can see just here this is a small a, and you can see just here enter, so give new line. Okay, this is the first line. Second line I want to go in third line, so it is a new system. Okay, caps lock I'm enter without any shift button, you can see just everything capital, and again caps lock off, so you can see just here very small. Tab button, what is a tab button? Give 8 space. What is the I'm enter this apple. Okay, and enter space, enter I'm a ball. Okay, space, enter again new name mango. Okay, space, but I want 8 space in one at time, this single space, but I want 8 space, so again and tap, this is the 8 space, very lot of give space here. Okay, again tab button, again tab button, you can see 8 space, 8 space, everything you can see just here. Okay, enter button, I'm going to break third to fourth line, this is the enter button. Okay, this is one type of technology showing to of your keyboard. Okay, keyboard key related video, keyboard key related, this very important for you. Space bar, I am already told you, space bar is one type of press the space to move the cursor one space forward. Okay, only one space forward. So how it work? So it is a specially space button, space bar is showing a space forward. Okay, so you can see just here this is a space button, and notepad inside you can see just here this is a you can see just this is a showing to me okay, space button, this is the space and give to only single space forward. Okay, I want this area size space. Okay, you can see just it, I am break this space, again this A to D give space, it is a space. Okay, so this is a space one cursor. Okay, forward, and you can see just here this is a new last backspace, so press backspace to delete the character before the cursor. So before the cursor you can see just this cursor, and before this area side delete everything, you can select text. Okay, so I am without first delete this. Okay, this I am and delete this. Okay, forward button available, backspace. Okay, already written in backspace button, and I am select this. Okay, and enter right side click delete, either I am select everything and enter this button. Okay, on keyboard backspace, everything move. Okay, so it is a backspace. So this is one type of very good keyboard keys and functions related very important for your technology and official to shift button, caps lock button, tab button, enter button, space bar and backspace. So this is a one by one give different technologies and systems. Okay, so keyboard keys is you can see just this is one type of different type space bar move to cursor space forward, and delete backspace character before to your cursor. Okay, so you can see just backspace related systems. Okay, so complete this my keyboard keys related video, and next time I will discuss one by one. Okay, so understand about next video what is a using or why using a numeric keyboard, and why give numeric keyboard technology in mouse. So I will discuss in next time completely. And thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue numeric keyboard. So click on subscribe button, click on like button, and click on bell icon for new notification, new video related video. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.